Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are having an amazing day. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I am going to share a recipe which is called Palak Paneer. But before going to make Palak Paneer, we need to get all the ingredients ready which are required. I have kept all the ingredients ready. Let me show you guys. Now you can see guys, this is spinach and oil, tomato, onion, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, green chili, fresh paneer, and this is turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, sugar, salt, garam masala and kitchen king. I have already kept ready all the ingredients which are required. Okay, now I'm going to cut this spinach and wash it nicely. After that I will boil it in a wok. Okay, so I will boil this spinach for about 5 minutes. After that it will be cooked nicely, it will be boiled nicely. Okay, once it is boiled I will strain it in a strainer and keep it aside so that it would cool down, right? And later I will show you the process of making. You can see guys, I cut the spinach and washed it nicely. After that I kept it for boiling. At the same time I placed a fry pan on top of the gas and turned on the gas. Once the fry pan is hot, I am going to add some oil. So let's add some oil right now. Now I am adding some oil into the fry pan. I have added 3 tablespoons of oil, you can see, and once the oil is hot we are going to add some cumin seeds, green chili and onion that we cut. Okay, now you can see guys, the oil is hot completely. We are going to add cumin seeds. This is called cumin seeds in English. We are adding some cumin seeds and then green chili and finally onion that we cut. After adding all these things we have to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the raw smell of the onion will go away, and once the onion becomes golden brown we have to add ginger garlic paste. Now you can see guys, the color became golden brown. Now we need to add some ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste we need to cook it for 1 minute so that the ginger garlic smell will go away. Now we are going to add some tomato because we cooked for 1 minute after adding ginger garlic paste. Now we are adding some tomato that we cut and we are gonna mix it properly. After adding tomato we need to add all the masalas like red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, kitchen king masala. All the masala we are going to add now. Okay, after adding all those masalas we have to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the raw smell of the masala will go away. I have already cooked it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see the color and texture of the masala. And the other hand, the spinach is boiled nicely. Now we have to strain it with this strainer, okay, and keep it aside so that it would cool down. Okay, now you can see guys how this masala looks, the color and texture. I ground this palak nicely. Now I am going to add this spinach into the masala. We don't have to add lot of water. See the palak paneer guys, how it looks, the color, the texture and the thickness, everything is perfectly fine. If you make palak paneer in this way, then everyone will praise you. They will say you are a great cook and making so delicious food like this. The palak paneer is ready to serve now. You can have it with roti, rice and whatever you want. And I hope you would like the process of making and the ingredients that I used while preparing palak paneer. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye friends.